Happy Monday, Balians. Today I'm going to show you how to recreate this totally cute space look. Let's go. Howdy, y'all. Let's get into this new look. All right, so to recreate this really cute space look, we're going to be using the three main palettes that I like, and we're going to start with that eye primer. And first, we're going to start with that Culture palette. Look, I'm gonna clean my palette one of these days, y'all. I don't want no judging, but we're going to focus on those main purples that I just highlighted, and about 2 or 3 of those pinks. So first you're going to take that darker purple, okay, and you are going to just start fluffing out the outer eyelid and the inner eyelid like I'm doing so. And then it looks like I'm taking like the one shade lighter purple and kind of making like an ombre effect next to that darker purple, as you can see. Voila, voila, magnifique. What am I doing next? Now I'm using that pink, that really cute like bubblegum pink, and making sure that it's nice and feathered and blended out. Not exactly the brow bone, okay, but a little bit lower. And looking back, I could have done the pink first, but I didn't really want to because I really wanted to pack that purple in there and make sure that sticks out and stands out, because that's gonna be like the main of the look, okay? So now I'm taking this absolutely beautiful, like iridescent teal that is in the Culture palette. Hold on, let me check. Yes, that middle color is from the Culture palette, and it is in the shade of Yoruba, and it is my favorite shade. Like that shade just does something to me. It is just absolutely beautiful. So now we're gonna go back to our good old Walhalla 2 palette, and we're gonna mainly focus on those shimmery silver tones. And we're gonna pop those in the inner corner. We love the inner corner. And now we're going back to the Culture palette, and we're gonna pop the color of Ashanti on the brow bone and a little bit in the inner corner as well. Just a tad, just to get that sparkle. Y'all know? Okay, so this eyeliner, I was up at like 2 in the morning on Amazon looking for some good liquid eyeliner, like colorful, because I feel like my life was missing that. So I got this random pack. They did the job. These lashes also did the job. These were super cute lashes. They're like an ombre lashes, so the tip of them were like a purple, like pink. Super cute, perfect for this look. I had them for like 6 months and never used them, so I was like, ah! This is perfect. So anyway, we're using these eyeliners. Also, I really do like these eyeliners. I think I might do a review on Amazon about them. I was real hesitant because I don't want no cheap eyeliner, but for makeup projects like this, and for drawing, graphic eyeliner, these are really, really nice. So yeah, we're just drawing some really cute stars and moons and, you know, making it all cute and spicy. So in case you're wondering, yes, I was watching America's Next Top Model again. Like I have to have it on while I'm doing makeup. Like it goes well. It just lights up my creativity flow, you know? I'm on season 3 right now, and I forgot how wild that season, but it was the best one because Eva was in there and Yaya, and that's like the most iconic season because they went to Japan and they had the whole like Harajuku girl shoot in my life. Anyway, the look is complete, y'all. This is it. This is very take me to your leader, okay? Alien babe, prostitute, escort. Let's go explore the galaxies, me and you, babe. Let's go.